Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Iqra College, Hargeisa. My name is Coach Sara, and today we are going to discuss about weather. But before I start, I want to ask you to join me in my offline classes. If you are in Hargeisa, we have morning classes, afternoon classes, and evening classes, as well as night classes from 8 to 9. Every day of the week from Saturday through Wednesday. But if you are not in Hargeisa, you can join us in our new online classes held through Zoom or Telegram or WhatsApp. We have 3 channels: Zoom, Telegram, and WhatsApp. So, let's dive in. How is the weather in your city today? How is the weather in your city today? When you're describing weather, you can use the following words. The first one, sunny. Sunny. Sunny is when the weather is hot. When you feel hot, there is a lot of sun shining. The next word we are going to use is windy. Windy. During windy time or when the weather is windy, a lot of wind and a lot of moving air is blowing across, and most of the time we feel cold or cool, depending on how cold the wind is. The next word I'm going to look at is cloudy. Cloudy time, that time there is no sun, the sun is blocked by the clouds, and so you most likely don't feel hot, you feel warm or cool. You don't feel hot, you feel warm or cool. Okay, the next weather element is rain. Last night, it was raining in Hargeisa. Did it rain in your city? Did it rain in Mogadishu? Did it rain in Galkayo? Did it rain in Berbera? If not, probably it will. But when it rains, we get wet. Everything becomes wet. Okay, now let me ask you before I continue. Can you write in the comment below how the weather is in your country? Now listen, how is the weather in your city? How is the weather in your village? How is the weather in your area? Write for me the comment below. If you are watching me from Berbera, tell me, how do you feel? How is the weather now? If you're watching me from Jigjiga to Mogadishu and from Berbera to Galkayo, how is the weather? How is the weather in Hargeisa now? Can you write for me in the comment down below? I'd like to see your participation. Now, let us continue. The weather can be snowy. When it is snowy, there is snow everywhere. Have you ever seen snow? Show me, tell me. Have you ever seen snow? Okay. Next, sometimes you sweat a lot. Sometimes you feel hot. What happens during the time you feel hot? It is, we say, the weather is sunny. But sometimes you feel cold. Sometimes you feel cold. You put on a heavy jacket. Maybe it's because there is wind. There is a lot of cold wind. So we say the weather is windy. But sometimes you feel warm. Warm. There is no sun and there is no wind. There is no rain either. There is clouds, a lot of clouds. We say the weather is cloudy. Cloudy. Now sometimes you get wet. When you get wet, it's most definitely because the weather is rainy. We say it is raining. So we get wet. Can you tell me now how the weather is? How is the weather? Thank you so much for watching me. I am calling you from Iqra College in Hargeisa. My name is Coach Sara. Now, before I sign off, I want to remind you that we have intake this month for offline classes, as well as online classes. If you're in Hargeisa, come visit me at Ikra. If you are not in Hargeisa, you are still welcome online classes. We have new intake this month and through. But don't forget to tell me about the weather in the comments down below. Thank you so much and have a good day.
شنو حلقان دول يا با
وان سوق الجويالك اقرا كولج
مسوق الجواب دورت شقدي دونات دو كو دعي كو كاير ريم كان كو شويه قبل يقول اقرا كولج بان كينيا ارد